Hey folks, so in this video I will guide you through how to remove user from WSL. So first of all you have to list the users to see what are the users available. If you already know the username you can just skip this part. So let's see how to see all the users in WSL. To do that just run this command cat -d colon -f1 slash etc slash passwd. So after you run this command, as you can see, this command will list down all the users available in this bottom section. So you can just check what user name have for that user that you want to delete. So let's say I want to delete this Ben user. So to do that, what you want to do is run this command sudo deluser remove -home and username. I will add username as Ben. So in here, when you add this flag, it will remove the home directory of this user as well. For example, if you go to WSL, in here you can see this home folder. And if you go to this home folder, you see these two users folder. So these folders are also will be deleted when you add this command. So if you don't want to remove those home folders, don't run this command and hit enter. And after that, it will ask you the password for the current user. So enter your password. So as you can see in the log, it deleted this user. So now if I run previous command again, you can see that user is gone. And if I go to WSL file location, you can see the folder is also gone. So that's it. If you have any question, feel free to comment. See you in the next video.